Hey guys, welcome to another property tour. Today we are in beautiful Del Mar, and I'm hosting this one open today, and I thought why not show you what you can get here in sunny San Diego, specifically in Del Mar, for just under $5 million. With that being said, my name is Alex, your local real estate agent here that does off market. If you cannot find what you're looking for, I'm your guy. With that being said, let's go check it out. So all of my tours, I love showing, first of all, the streets and where you are most likely going to be living in. Beautiful streets. You are walking distance to the beach, and it's pretty sunny today. So as you can see, no cars driving by, and that is because it is tucked away in an area that if you don't live here, you don't actually come out here. So as you can see, you got the Ring cameras, security system all over the place. Beautiful area. As soon as you walk in, it took them 18 months to do all the work that they did to this house. They put new roof, new HVAC, new flooring, pretty much anything and everything. And as you can see, as soon as you walk into the property in Del Mar, single story, it is extremely hard to find something in this price point that is having these types of amazing views. So as soon as you walk in, it is currently staged, which is beautiful. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath property, just under 1,700 square feet. And I think for the size and for the value, you're getting a lot of a house. The owner did design this house when they bought it specifically for their taste, and they decided that they would like to stay in OC. So they have listed it for sale, and this is your master bedroom. I mean, come on, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Before we show you the outside, I'm gonna show you this beautiful realtor. So this right here is the bathroom, the master shower, dual sink, and in Del Mar it is pretty tough to have space. So I think they did what they could with this area, which is actually like the taste. Nice design, and the flooring are gorgeous too. I think this might be real wood. Gotta find that out. But as you walk out, I mean, come on, look at this. You got privacy on this side. As soon as you walk out, you have the beautiful Pacific Ocean that people love living on. This is, look at this backyard. You could put a pool here if you wanted to. That is gorgeous the way it is right now. Very low maintenance. This could be a second house. This could be the main house if you want to retire. This could be it if you have a small family. This could be it. One of the best locations in San Diego. Pretty much everything here is new. The new HVAC, water system, the roof, everything and anything is pretty much brand new. You have this outdoor area that's connected to the house, and the kitchen is really cute. As you see, it is extremely bright, and I love the fact that they used this space in a way that's gonna be actually functional. So you have the beautiful Sub-Zero fridge. You're gonna be doing the cooking right here. You have the coffee machine, and this is where you're gonna be spending most of your time, looking at the ocean, which is why I think they did such an amazing job. You have more sun coming in from there. Beautiful. It took them 18 months. Isn't that crazy? This is the dining area. I don't think I showed you, but the living area is right here. So this is where the kids are gonna be hanging out. If it's just you with your wife, this could be it. I mean, think about it this way. The fireplace right here is turned on. You have the TV right here, and it's raining outside. Such a great area. This house looks, I think personally, better in person, but this is what you're gonna be walking out to if you live here. So that was the property tour here in sunny San Diego, specifically Del Mar. If you are looking to buy, sell, or invest here in sunny San Diego, I have plenty of off-market homes that if you cannot find what you're looking for online, most likely I have something for you. Feel free to contact me. I'm gonna put my information down in the description so you can contact me. Call me, email me, or text me. And with that being said, it was a pleasure of showing you what you can get in Del Mar for just under $5 million. Until then, до свидания.